Here we go with sweet potatoes. No, no, no. Eat, eat, eat. You like sweet potatoes. Oh my. That's messy. That's very messy. What do you think? What do you think? Whoa. You gotta learn to use a spoon. Come on, everyone likes sweet potatoes. Uh-oh, here we go with the mess.
Do I hit the same button to stop it after a minute?
Uh-oh. Open up. Open wide. Don't close. It's going in. Open wide. Here it comes. Nope, no hands. This is messy. Oh dear. That's messy. Why do you keep spitting it out?